This question is always controversial. Is your house an asset or liability? Ang bahay bang ipinundar at pinangarap mo ay isang asset o liability? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na ito. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, kung gusto mo ng ganitong content, please follow and hit the subscribe button. Gamitin natin ang mga definition na ginamit ni Robert Kiyosaki sa kanyang librong Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Ang sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki ay, asset is something that puts money in your pocket. Think of it like an investment vehicle na nakakapag-generate ng income para sa'yo. While on the other hand, liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. Isang bagay o property na ginagatasan ka ng pera. Think of it like ang iyong personal car na ginagastusan mo ng gasolina, maintenance, toll fee at iba pang mga expenses. Katulad halimbawa ng dalawang sasakyang ito. Ang traktor, bagamat hindi maporma ay isang asset dahil nakakapagbigay ito ng pera sa iyo. While yung personal car ay maganda at maporma, pero ang problema, isa pala itong liability dahil ginagastusan mo ito pero hindi naman nakakapagbigay ng income sa iyo. Balikan natin ang tanong natin na, is your house an asset or liability? Ayon kay Kiyosaki, a personal residence is often a liability because it typically involves ongoing expenses such as mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. At ang advice ni Kiyosaki ay, focus on investing in assets that generate positive cash flow such as rental properties or businesses. Kiyosaki wants us to focus on building assets. Next time na bibili ka ng bagay o property, tanungin mo muna sarili mo kung asset ba to o liability. Let me help you build a business-minded mentality. Dito lang yan sa Utak Negosyante. Follow us for more and hit the subscribe button.